Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Blue Badge Crypto, bringing you another Bitcoin and market update. But listen, if you're not already on the Twitter, get over there at Blue Badge Crypto. That's where you're going to get the most time-sensitive alerts on trends, trading, and analysis in the market. Let's dive into Bitcoin, guys. We're here on the 2-hour chart. If you've been following the updates, following the Twitter, you know what we have going on here. If you're new, let's backtrack just a little bit in price action where we're tracking kind of this descending level of resistance or ascending level of support here, somewhat creating this triangular pattern here on these lower time frames. And we were tracking this one fake out. And then we had another breakout attempt right here, guys, where we had a nice breakout, had multiple candles closing here on these lower time frames, and came up here and tried to push this highlighted box that I've had marked for y'all, which is where we're actually shorting up here at the top. And we can see where we got one denial here off the fake out, another denial here, and that sent us back into the pattern. I updated y'all on Twitter. I let y'all know that, hey, if we break back into this pattern, it's bad. And if we break back below this blue line, it's even worse. And like I told y'all in that last Bitcoin update 2 days ago here on YouTube, if we go below the blue line, if we break low, then we're going lower, guys. And that's exactly what happened. You can see where we broke out. We found support off our dotted line here. We came back up, retested this level as resistance, and now we're falling back lower here, kind of starting to find support off these levels that I've had marked for y'all. Y'all can see where we utilize this level first as support, and now coming down and using this next level as support, guys. So as long as we're below this blue line, I'm expecting lower prices down here, guys, kind of pushing into this 42K range. And if and when we were to get down here, guys, that is when I would reevaluate and see if there's a possibility that we could break out of this range-bound price action, where if we zoom it out, you can see this is where, we've utilized, these levels multiple times here. So once we get down here, guys, we'll have to, if we get down here, we'll have to evaluate if there's a potential that looks like that we could even fall out of that range, guys, and start testing lower levels at 40,000, 38, and so on. But so far, we are holding support off this level. But as you can see, if we zoom back up here, just like when we came up, we utilized these stairs, right? We came up, found resistance, found support, found resistance, support. We utilized those levels up and down, and we could be doing the same exact thing here, guys, where we broke down, found support, found resistance, broke down, found support, found resistance, found support, resistance. And we just do the same exact thing going down as we did going up here, guys. So that's something to keep an eye on, guys. But like I told you all, we broke low, we're going lower, guys. We break high, we didn't confirm that break high. We fell back into that pattern right there, guys. So that's what we're looking at. I do want to zoom it out here, guys, to like a 12-hour chart. And I do want to show y'all something here real quick, where from the bottom of this, where price action, where we found our bottom down here at approximately 33,000, guys. If we take our Fibonacci levels here on our retracement tool and we pull that up to our top right here, you can see where we fell right into a 382 level right here, which is what I'm keeping an eye on, that 382 level. Remember that 382 of the Fibonacci tool, okay? And that's right in line with this white dotted line, which is actually our macro A wave low at approximately 42,500, guys. So I'm kind of eyeing that level, and I'm about to show y'all why, because if we go back to previous price action from over the summer of 2021, guys, let me just pull that back out. When we go back over here, I want to show y'all this, and I already have this tool kind of laid out here for y'all, where if we go from our bottom here, guys, okay, we go from our bottom of our price action where we found our low over the summer, and we come up to our high, where we had that big push kind of getting us out of that range here, and we finally found a top here. Where did we fall back to, guys? We fell back down to that 382 Fibonacci level. Do y'all see that? Where we had this one wick right here come down, okay, and hit right on that Fibonacci level. You see where we take our high here, and boom, we came right down to that 382 level of the Fibonacci retracement before finally catapulting off that, guys. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on over here, okay, that could be another possibility here, guys. And again, that was right here at approximately 42.5, okay, which is right in line with that macro A wave low, guys. So that's something I'm going to keep an eye on these lower time frames. If we do continue down here, guys, that we could find some type of pop right here or some type of bounce here if previous price action were to repeat itself, guys. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at on Bitcoin right now. But like I said, below the blue line, that spells lower price action. Okay, we get back above the blue line, then we can start looking at 48K again. Below the blue line, we're looking at lower prices, guys. Let's look at total crypto market cap real quick. See what we're doing here. We are tracking that lower time frame inverse head and shoulders pattern, guys, which has now been invalidated. Okay, where you can see we've now broken down, creating a lower low here. Okay, and breaking down below this kind of not out of the woods zone that I've had marked for y'all guys, where I was letting y'all know that, hey, even if we get to this level, we're still not out of the woods yet. We need to come up here, hold this level, and you can see where we've tried so many times to break and hold this high right here, guys. This is the high that we need to have broken and held. And you can see if we pull up like a daily time frame right here, guys, and we get this out of the way, y'all can see so many wicks were coming up here, and we never actually closed, candles up here. We're able to hold that level above this previous high and be good for continuation. You can see how hard we are trying on all these daily candles, and it failed. And that just looks like, extreme resistance right there, guys. And now you can see even on this higher time frame where we're breaking back below this level, our next level of support right here is going to be at 1.95 trillion there, guys. Below that, it'd be coming down to these box levels that I have marked for y'all guys. So that's what we're looking at on total crypto market cap, Bitcoin, higher time frames, lower time frames, guys. If you have any questions, throw them down in the comments. If you found the video helpful, throw a like down. Thanks for watching today, guys.